up
Mama,
the
what?
scenery a little.
What will my eyes move like?
What do your eyes move like, Guthrie?
They go.
Just like a pinball machine. Travis, want to tell Sam what you got for Christmas?
I got a pinball machine, Muddy Crusaders, 2 stuffed animals,
What were they?
a shovel, and a stuffed dinosaur. And I got a book and 2 candies. And that's it.
Hi, Caitlin.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
Happy today?
Yeah.
Do you know where we're headed?
Yeah.
Where?
Blair's house.
Do you think they'll be home?
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes, you do?
Yeah. No, they're going to be in the Philippines.
Do you wish they were home?
Yeah. Me too.
Well, it'll be fun to go by their house.
Hope they're plowed out. I guess they won't.
Do we have any good songs to sing for them? Anybody got a song, Guthrie? Do you have a song you want to sing?
No. Sing Grace Girl. Grace Girl. Special. Flop. Tail. Crack 'em right between your toes. Go up yourself. Nose. Grace Girl. Grace Girl. Flop.
Great.
Now sing. Caleb?
I don't hear you.
Want to blow a kiss to the Blairs? Oh, you are sweet.
Grace grow, grace grow, fluff, crack 'em between your toes, roll up your silk nose, grace grow, fluffy tail.
Great, thanks. That was wonderful. Katuda Key.